So hi everyone, I'm Juno. Uh, this is my experiment number 4, which is image classification using ResNet 50 or VGG60. So the aim is to implement a convolutional neural network using a transfer learning with a pre-trained models, that is ResNet 50 or VGG60, for image classification on the Cipher 10 dataset. So this will be my code. So for the first part, I imported the necessary libraries like the TensorFlow and the Pathlib and the OS. So for TensorFlow is used to build and train the model, while the Pathlib and the OS helps to manage dataset paths. So I download the cats and dog datasets using Keras. This function automatically downloads and extracts the zip file. So after the extraction, I check the folder to ensure where the data is. So it got extracted somewhere. So to fix that, I gave that TensorFlow as TFS and I found out the path. So it is extracted to this one. So for the next one, I loaded the image using the image dataset from dictionary. So this function automatically labels image based on their folder names. So cats as zeros and the dogs as one. So also I resized the images to the 224 and 224 pixels, set a back size of 32. And I normalize the pixel values by dividing them by 255 to improve the training speed and the accuracy. So then instead of training from the scratch, I use transfer learning with ResNet 50, a model pre-trained for ImageNet. This model can already detect edges, shapes, and textures. So I froze the base layer, so the pre-trained weights wouldn't change during the training. So on top of that, on top of the frozen base, I added a global average pooling layer to reduce the dimension, a dense layer with 128 neurons, and a ReLU activation for learning the patterns, and a dense output layer with 2 neurons. So, and a softmax activation for classifying cats and dogs. So then I compiled the model using the Adam optimizer, and uh, and I trained it for 3 approaches. So using the training data set, while the validating and the validation, and during the training, the model gradually learned to differentiate cats from the dogs by analyzing patterns in the images. So this model summary shows all the layers, the frozen layer from the Resident 50 and the custom layer we added. Only a small fraction of parameters are trainable, which helps the model train faster and reduce the overfitting. So in conclusion, this project demonstrates how the transfer learning allows us to efficiently classify the images with high accuracy. And this is my output using the pre-trained model and the result. So thank you.